What do you want? Go away. I'm just kidding, MTV Cribs. Come on in. Welcome. Welcome to my 900 square foot apartment here in New York City. I currently pay $2,100 for this apartment in my room. That equates to about $2,800 for my Canadian friends back at home. So I'm going to show you around the apartment. First off, we're going to show off the kitchen. So quite honestly, this kitchen is pretty spacious for a New York apartment. It's about maybe like 50 square feet, so it can, cook about 1 to 2 people at a time, which is pretty good. So I'm going to show you the essentials. The first here we have is a gas stove. Above it, we have our microwave that acts as a microwave and a fan at the same time. And honestly, we have also over here, we have the dishwasher. Honestly, I don't use the dishwasher. I wash my dish by hand. I use it as a dish rack. So if you're Asian, you'll know what I mean. We have cabinets here. So each of my roommates, I have 3 roommates. So each one of us gets at least 2. So there's a lot of space for our pantries. And then obviously we have the freezer here and the fridge here. Other than that, it's a typical kitchen. So let's move on. So we'll move out of here. And this is our this is our living room. It's not the coolest living room, but over here we have a shoe rack. So when you come on in, you put your shoes on the rack. You grab a pair of slippers because we have a no shoe in the house policy. So you got to wear your slides. Over here, it's just a bunch of junk. Over here, because we have 3 people living here, our fridge space is quite limited. So we got an extra mini fridge here for extra space. Got some drinks down there. This used to be our beer pong table. So we used to have a beer pong set up over there. But we don't play beer pong as much anymore. So we just converted it to a dinner table where one person can sit and eat at a time. Other than that, we got a lot of lamps here. Because we don't have a central lighting system here, we use lamps and fixtures to light up our living room. This right here is our couch. So it's pretty interesting how we got our couch here. So we actually got it off Facebook Marketplace. So we messaged some dude on Facebook Marketplace. He lived about maybe 7 or so blocks away. So we had to walk up there. And he said he lived on the 3rd floor. And when we got to his apartment, we didn't know it was a 3-building, high-rise building with no elevator. So we had to walk all the way up this very narrow stairwell just to get to his apartment. And when we got there, we started to take out these cushions. And I'm telling you, it was the most disgusting couch you've ever seen before. There was chips and all these snacks and crap just underneath the cushions. And he's like, oh, do you want us to vacuum it for you? I'm like, hell yeah, I want to vacuum. It's disgusting. So we got that vacuum out of the way. And then we started to lift lift the couch down the stairwell. And me being me, the first 2 minutes of lifting it, I pinched my finger on the edge of the couch against the wall, and I'm just in so much pain throughout the whole time bringing this couch down. But we finally made it out to the street level, and so we had to carry it. There was 3 of us, so we each took turns, 2 at a time, one person taking a break, and we're just 3 guys just carrying this freaking huge couch throughout New York City and stopping every 1 or 2 minutes because it's so heavy. And we would literally just stop in the middle of the road and just sit down and catch a breath and continue until we finally got home. So other than that, this couch is awesome. It was free. It's a pretty comfy couch. I slept down it a couple times, so pretty good couch. So let's move on here. This is actually one of my roommates' room here. It's a flex room. So we're not going to go in there, but that's one of the rooms. Here I bought a pull-up bar because you got to get your stretches and your chin-ups and pull-ups in. So we do this every morning, just stretch the back and do 1, maybe 2 pull-ups or so. Okay, we're going to move down the hallway here. So these 3 doors on the right side here are closets. So this is my roommate's closet, one of them. This is, half of it is my closet, half of it is toilet paper and paper towel storage. And this is also my closet. So those 3 are closets. We're going to make it to the end of the hallway. And this is where the bathroom is. It's a pretty tight bathroom, but it has everything we need. So we have the toilet, we have the shower, and we have a sink. Nothing more, nothing less. We have 3 panes of mirror here. So I have 1, 2, 3, mine, my other roommates, and my other roommate. Other than that, our bathroom is pretty simple. We just have a shower with a tub in it. But that's it. It's a really tight bathroom. But, 1 bathroom for 3 of us. Sometimes it can get pretty hectic. But we make do with what we got. Okay, so the last room we're going to show here is my room. This is where the magic happens. No, seriously. There's a lot of people who come in and they never come back. Oh well, let's go. All right, so this is my room. Ta-da! This is it. It's pretty spacious, actually. It might look smaller on camera than it actually is, but I'm telling you, in person, at least I thought when I saw the pictures, I thought, oh, that's pretty small. But when I actually got here, I was like, wow, like this is actually much larger than I thought. So if we want to just take a quick, tour of my room really quickly, we have my desk here. This is a nice standing desk that I got recently just because I need to sit too much, studying too much while I'm sitting. So I thought, okay, I got to change it up. So I started to stand a lot more now when I study. You got the keyboard, you got the mouse, you got the monitors, for maximum efficiency. Or we got a TV over here right in front of the bed. So sometimes, you got to relax, right? So you throw on a movie, throw on a show, watch something, whatever. Over there, we got a little Christmas tree that I got for the holidays. Check it out. Wait, come on. This is, here we go. Whoa, check it out. It also blinks. Pretty cool. And then I got some squishmallows there who are joining the party. I got a pretty decent view of the city, I guess. It's just a tree and some other buildings, but beats like directly staring into like a brick wall of your neighbors. I got some bottles over the year I've been here that I'm just collecting, some wines, some gin, some sake bottles. On this side of the wall, we have all my decks that I've started to collect. So that was the first deck I ever got, and then I started to collect more decks, and then I started to put them on the wall as like a form of art. I think they're pretty cool. Maybe not. I don't know. Got some yoga mats here. I got to do my daily stretches in here. I do sit a lot, so my back starts to tense up. So I find stretching helps a lot. This table was my first table that I got before I got that standing desk. This is from IKEA. Pretty standard 4x kind of plank of wood. So got that. Didn't want to throw it out, so I put it on this side where I'm gonna build my other PC and put it over here so that I can play my games here and do my studying over there. So it's kind of a balance of both. But right now I don't have a case for my PC build, but I have all the parts here. So once I order that PC case, I'm gonna build my computer, and then you'll be able to see it. And then in this corner, I just have a bunch of like soft drinks and snacks and my skateboard there. But other than that, this is my room. I pay $2,100 US for it each month. It's quite expensive, but considering where I live and the safety aspect of it, I can't complain. I really enjoy living here so far. It's been almost 2 years, coming on 2 years now. So that's my NYC apartment tour. Bye.